it's me, Davina. I am sorry I have not posted in a really long time. I am sorry about that. I'm trying to set you guys up. Okay. I'm really sorry I haven't posted in a really long time. It's just that I've been really busy with like school and stuff, but now that summer's over, I can finally, what's it called? I finally post more often. So, yeah, I can finally post more often now that summer's basically over. So now that summer's beginning, I can post more. So I found this really cool Banggood. The name's Banggood. It's like a shop store you can shop at, and the name's Banggood, like I said. And I decided to order a slime because I haven't had slime ever since my dad told me that I couldn't have it because I was making a really mess making it. My slime was really good though, but since I was making a mess making them, then he said you can't have them anymore. So I decided to order one, and he said okay. So I bought it with my money, and I ordered one on Banggood. So I forgot the name, what it was, but hopefully the package on like the container it comes in, it will say the name of it. So I'm gonna order the slime, and I ordered the slime already, and then I will see you guys the next day. Hopefully it comes the next day. I'll see you guys in the next day, okay? I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, it's the next day. I just put the same shirt on because I washed it, but it's the next day, and I hope my package came. I don't know, because the mailman just left. I don't know. Okay, so the package has not came yet. I was really excited to see if it came. It didn't come yet. I guess I'll see you guys again. So it didn't come. And by the way, this is like a little creek that I'm in right now. It's a little creek in my mailbox. So I'll see you guys the next day. And hopefully it comes. Okay guys, so the mailman left again. Hopefully, okay, let's go. Guys, my package came. I'm gonna go set up the camera again. I'll see. Oh my god, you guys, I'm dying of excitement right now. Set up the camera right here. Okay. I'm sorry I'm wearing the same shirt and the same watch. It's just that the next day oh yeah, I'm so excited guys. So I'll show you guys the package in just a second. And by the way, I got it at Banggood. Yeah. And it's this next day. I washed the shirt just so that I could, eat, so that I could pretend like I have the same shirt. So I'm kind of excited. So for some reason, I was kind of concerned because it didn't really come in, those soft packages where it's a bag. Yeah, it didn't really come in that. It came in this. But I don't care. I'm happy. Hopefully it has slime and I didn't get scammed by Banggood. Because last time I bought Squishies from there, they never came. So they wasted my money. So hopefully there's slime in here. The package did come, so I'm kind of glad it came and didn't just do it like the Squishies. But here's the package. And it says my address on the bottom. That's why I'm covering it. You can see this is my address. See? So I'm trying to cover it. Because this is my address. On the bottom and on the side. My address right here. So I'm not going to show you guys that. But yeah, hopefully it's open from here so I don't have to turn it around. So yeah, I'm going to open the package up. Hopefully I did get scammed. I'm about to open the package. I'm so excited. Okay, so you guys gonna get the first peek. Is it exciting? Oh my god, I got my slime. Oh my god. Yes, I finally got the slime. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna scoop this so I can put the box here. Okay, so first they gave me extras, so thank you for the extras. So they gave me this bouncy ball. Oh, it lights up. That's pretty cool. Thank you for a bouncy ball. Pretty cool. It's a little emoji. My favorite emoji is the kiss emoji, so thank you. Finally turned off. Okay. Thank you so much for that extra. I also got this little num num thing. I think they're called num nums. Are they called num nums, you guys? They're pretty cute. They're really squishy. Yes. Anyways, they're really squishy. Okay. Next thing, you gave me a pen. Ooh, this is a pretty nice pen. Good quality. It has a little. Sorry about that. It's because the camera is not stable. I'm really sorry. Seriously. I'm really sorry. I think you just get camera not stable. Should I put it right here? No. It's two. I'm just gonna. Like. Okay, I'm sorry. It's really unstable. I don't know where to put it. I know exactly where to put it now. Okay. I don't know if this works. It's not working. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay. So they gave me this pen. I'm sorry if that's a really bad angle. Sorry. That last angle. It fell. So, pretty good pen. Okay, and they gave me one more extra. What is it? Okay. I wanted a lip balm of these for so long. But I don't know if it's used or not. It's used. I am going to either try to send this back, and if you guys don't take it, then I'm gonna throw it away in the trash because this is used and I'm sorry to be mean, but I don't really want it. Okay, now on to the slime. Okay, close my eyes, you guys look at it. Slime. Is it cool? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a pretty cool slime. Okay, so the slime is orange peach I ordered. I'm not going to show you guys because it says my name. And you guys know my name, but it's my actual name. And it says my address. So, it's orange peach slime. Pretty cool. So, I'm gonna try to set up the camera in a different angle where you guys can see it. If I can't, then sorry. Let me try to set up the camera. Okay, hold on. Trying to set up the camera. It's because I'm on a table right now. So it's kind of hard to set up the camera. Where and I was putting it right here. My camera was right here, guys. That's why it fell. Okay, so I want to put the angle camera. I want to put the camera in a nice angle. Okay. So I couldn't set up the camera as you guys can see, but I can just leave it like that. So here's, oh, take closer, really tight. Okay, got it open. Oh, okay. Oh, that is really sticky. Oh no. Oh no. That is really sticky. Okay. That's really horribly sticky. Okay. So I'm gonna activate the slime because I'm literally gonna touch it and see. I'm gonna show you guys how much. Look at that. Look how sticky that is. It's not coming off my finger. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna go. It's scented. It's scented. I didn't expect it to be scented. Okay, I'm gonna go activate it. I'll see you guys right now. I'm gonna go activate it. Okay, so I'm back. I activated it. It's on. It's good. Now I put it back in the container. It's pretty good to me. It's not that bad anymore. Okay, so I'm gonna put it down. Oh, I don't want it to get on my camera. That's gonna really suck. Dang it. Okay, so my table has these. Oh, it's still a little bit sticky. Correction, a lot sticky. And I just painted my nails, so they're kind of wet. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear, but that's really good poking noise. It's because my table has these little cracks, and they can. Sorry about my finger. Has these little cracks. You can see right there, and I don't want them to, put the slime, have the slime go in. So, yeah. This was a really nice slime package, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys later. Bye! Okay, so by the way, this was all a skit. I made that slime, and I just put all in the package. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.